Hello friends, how are you? My name is Carlos, I'm from Ver.es. In today's video, we are going to see how the new real-time search engine that comes with version 3.23 of Element works. Okay, let's see what the tutorial is about. We are going to go to the desktop. The first thing we are going to do is go to Elementor Features Settings, and here in Features, we are going to go down until we find the search section. We set it as an asset and save changes. Okay? Next thing we're going to do is go to templates, make and paint themes, okay? We are going to make a search results page, add new okay while we wait. I will tell you that this video is fair. The content I made asks you to give it a like or subscribe to the channel. Here, you will ring or receive notifications of future videos, and if you have any doubts or questions, you can leave them in a comment. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. A loop grid, okay? We are going to tell you that, for example, we are going to make the search form work on valid products, and we are going to create a menu item template. We tell you to create template, we save it, okay? And now we are going to create the design of the items. In other words, we are going to create this template so that when we use the form, the default form allows us to work with the native design that WordPress brings or show the results with a custom template. So this is where we are going to need the Etendo template, okay? So for example, I am going to tell you that I insert a highlighted image. Okay, I am going to give it to you. I'm gonna ask you something smaller. Then we will put the title of the product. Okay. I'm not going to go into much about what personalization is because that's not the end of this video. Okay. And the next thing we're going to add is, for example, an add to cart. Okay. I'm not saying no. I don't want to get too much into what button customization is, and we're going to focus it. And the only thing we're going to do is change the color of the button to see if I can find it. Well, we're going to drop it. So I don't want to waste too much time on this. So let's save this for a title. I have to say item for the results that I look for. Okay, we save and come back. Okay, and here, if we want to work with native results, we can also do it by giving customization. But hey, in this case, we are going to go check the latest products. I'm not going to create any filters worth working on, especially products. We publish and display all the results of this, and then now we go to the page where we want to add the search engine in real time. We look for the search veil widget and then insert it. Okay? Here we already have the search engine, the text that appears in the placeholder. With well write what you want to search. Okay? So here in send, we have three options. That is, the search is carried out when you click search. When you start typing, it will return you results in real time, or you can work with both. The two ways are valid. Then we are going to define the results, and in lead resource, we are going to activate it to work. Sorry, Here for little loop to take me, I have to update the page I teach. It won't show me, okay? I'll update to see if it wants to load. Okay, we already have it here. We have the widget key, and we're going to where we left off. So here we are going to look for the Litenglu template. Okay, Litenglu, let's see if you look for it. And now I don't remember which of the two, but hey, I understand it will be this one. Okay, so here we define it. The minimum number of characters that the user must type to start giving results, the number of columns when displaying them. I'm going to tell you, for example, 3 to show it to me in 3 columns, and the elements to show 6 this to activate all the elements that the results have the same height. And here, if we want to customize, the message that there are no search results that match the search. For example, let's say there is no result that you think is valid. And here in the query, we can tell you to search only on the product. I mean, here, if we want to filter through some type of by labels or by category, well, we can do it from here, but in my case, I am going to do it as is. It is worth it. So if I publish now, and I come to the page I just published, if I update now, no, now it is not this page. Okay, here's the finder. Okay, and if I start doing a search now, they appear. Okay, here's where I got the template wrong. The template is not this, the template is the other. Remove blue. Okay, we're posting again. Excuse me, guys. Okay, if I now perform a search again, it already shows us the results based on our internet template that we have generated. Okay, what if we can access now? Okay, we can add it to the cart or whatever we have edited in our template. Okay, because here, for example, we could also have done that if we want the featured image to be a link to the product itself. Okay, we could make it the URL of the entry. Okay, we publish, and now if I do the search again, now the images will be a link to the product. Okay, there we have it. Okay, but come on, based on the design of Eatonlo, if you don't want it to be added to the cart here with simply create a button that says the product and links to the product page. Well, the same result that I have generated with the image link. Okay, well, here is the video that I hope you liked, that it helped me. And the next one that will give you a like. Subscribe to the channel. I tell the bell to receive notifications of future videos, doubts and questions in the comments.